Hello, and welcome back to our channel, Top 10s You Should Know. Let me ask you something. If you had started investing just a few years ago, even with small amounts, where would you be today? Maybe a little freer, a little more confident about the future, maybe even closer to financial independence. The truth is, investing is no longer just for Wall Street experts in suits. It's for everyone, especially beginners who want to get ahead. And in 2025, the opportunities are bigger and more accessible than ever. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 investment options for beginners in 2025. Practical, safe, and smart ways you can grow your money without needing a fortune to start. So let's dive in. 1. High yield savings accounts and digital banks. If you're brand new to investing, the safest starting point in 2025 is something that doesn't even feel like investing: high yield savings accounts through digital banks. Interest rates are higher than they've been in years, and many fintech banks now offer accounts with returns between 3% and 5% annually, with no hidden fees. What makes this so beginner friendly is that your money stays liquid. You can access it anytime. For someone nervous about risk, this is the perfect entry point because your money is insured and grows steadily. In 2025, digital banks are competing for your deposits, offering cashback, sign-up bonuses, and even automated savings tools. While it won't make you rich overnight, it builds the foundation of financial security and gets you comfortable watching your money grow. 2. Index funds and ETFs. If there's one investment almost every financial expert recommends, it's index funds and ETFs. Why? Because they let you own a little piece of the entire stock market without needing to pick individual companies. For beginners in 2025, ETFs are even easier thanks to apps that let you buy fractional shares. You can start with just a few dollars. The S&P 500 or total market ETFs have historically averaged strong returns, making them ideal for long-term growth. The best part? They don't require constant monitoring or expert-level knowledge. Once you set it up, your money grows passively while you focus on your life. And with new AI-driven robo-advisors, many platforms now automatically rebalance your ETFs for you, meaning your portfolio stays optimized with zero effort. 3. Government bonds and treasury bills. In 2025, stability matters more than ever. Government bonds and T-bills are one of the most secure investments for beginners. These are essentially loans you give to the government, and in return, they pay you back with interest. With global uncertainty, bonds are making a comeback because they balance your portfolio and protect you from stock market swings. For a beginner, it's a safe place to park money you might need in a few years while still earning predictable returns. And thanks to apps, you no longer need to buy in bulk. Fractional bonds make this accessible to everyone. Think of bonds as the anchor in your investment journey. They won't skyrocket your wealth, but they'll keep you steady when everything else gets shaky. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. You might think real estate is only for the wealthy, but in 2025, crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in property with as little as $100. Instead of buying a house or apartment yourself, you join thousands of small investors to own a fraction of income-generating real estate projects. These can be rental buildings, commercial spaces, or even vacation properties. This way, you earn passive rental income and benefit from property appreciation without needing to worry about tenants or maintenance. For beginners, this is a game changer. It diversifies your portfolio and gets you into real estate without huge upfront costs. The key is to choose reputable platforms that are transparent about risks and returns. Done right, it's like owning property without the headaches. 5. Robo-advisors. Imagine having a financial advisor available 24/7, working for a fraction of the cost. That's what robo-advisors offer. These AI-powered platforms automatically invest your money into diversified portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance. In 2025, they're smarter than ever, adjusting your investments in real time as markets shift. For beginners, this is perfect because it removes the stress of making tough choices. You don't need to guess whether to buy tech stocks or energy. Your robo-advisor spreads your money wisely and keeps you on track. Plus, many now come with financial education tools, helping you learn while you grow. Think of this as learning to ride a bike with training wheels: safe, guided, and effective. Number 6, dividend stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are like planting a money tree. You not only get the benefit of the stock's growth, but also regular cash payouts. Companies that pay dividends are usually stable, established, and profitable, making them less risky for beginners. In 2025, dividend stocks are appealing because they provide passive income even during market downturns. Imagine owning shares in a company and receiving a paycheck every quarter without doing anything. Beginners can reinvest these dividends to buy more shares, accelerating growth through compounding. It's a great way to balance risk and reward while building a steady income stream. Number 7, cryptocurrency, blue chip coins. Yes, crypto is risky, but in 2025, it's hard to ignore. The key for beginners is to focus only on established blue chip coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, rather than chasing hype coins. Many governments now regulate crypto exchanges, making it safer than in previous years. The appeal of crypto is diversification. It doesn't always move with the stock market, and it gives you exposure to digital assets that may define the future of money. Beginners should only invest what they can afford to lose, starting small and holding long term. Think of it like a high risk, high reward spice added to your main dish of safer investments. 8. Peer to peer lending platforms. This one is unique. Peer to peer lending lets you invest by lending money directly to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. In return, you earn interest, often higher than what banks pay. For beginners in 2025, platforms now include AI risk analysis, making it safer than before. It allows you to play the role of the bank, but with smaller amounts and spread across many borrowers. It's not without risk, but it offers higher returns than savings accounts and gives you control over who you lend to. Done wisely, it's a way to diversify while helping others achieve their goals. 9. Sustainable and green investments. In 2025, investing isn't just about money, it's also about impact. Green investments in renewable energy, clean technology, and eco-friendly companies are booming. Beginners can buy green ETFs or invest directly in companies that prioritize sustainability. Not only are these industries growing fast, but they also align with the values of many younger investors. Imagine building wealth while helping the planet. That's a double win. For beginners, sustainable funds are a smart pick because they're backed by global government initiatives and consumer demand. The future is green, and getting in now can pay off both financially and ethically. 10. Education and skill investment. This one might surprise you, but the best investment beginners can make in 2025 is in themselves. Courses, certifications, and skill-building programs offer returns that no stock or bond can match. Learning coding, digital marketing, AI tools, or finance skills can double your income potential, which in turn multiplies your ability to invest. Many beginners skip this step, but truthfully, your earning power is the foundation of wealth. The higher your skills, the higher your income, and the more you can invest in all the options we discussed earlier. In short, before you grow your portfolio, grow your mind. And there you have it, the top 10 investment options for beginners in 2025. Notice how these aren't about gambling or guessing. They're about building a strong foundation, step by step, from safe digital banks to green funds, and even investing in yourself. These are tools that anyone can start with today. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these investment options are you most excited to try this year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because your opinion might inspire someone else to take their first step toward financial freedom.